kind of weird. Just pulled in to the house, and there was a deer sleeping on the ground. Well, you probably can't see him. You might see him run when I get closer. He's just standing there. You see him? There he is. Hey, buddy. Hello. I wonder if it's gonna come out. I don't want to let Jake out of the car because he's gonna chase your ass. Let's see if I get into a different spot. That's the closest I've ever been, and he's just standing there. He's not even moving. Oh. Up, there he goes. There he goes. He's like, I was taking a nice nap and now you're making me run. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. He had such a good spot too. Oh, don't run now. There's a car coming. There you go. Go over his house. Alright, that's pretty funny. Oh, look at Jake. He's got his head out the window. Was that a deer? Was that a deer, Dad? I seen it. I barked. Oh, can I go out and get it? You're gonna go in the house if I let you out, right? No chasing the deer. Come on. Good boy. He's running over where it was. He's like, you're right here. Yes, he was. Come on, Jake. Jake. What a good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. All right. Until next time.